In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to Notion page. If you want your Notion workspace to feel more polished and make it easy for people to spot your socials at a glance, adding clean little icons is a simple win. We're going to keep this straightforward and stick to the essentials so you can get it done in minutes. Before we start, make sure you have the icon files you want to use saved on your computer. PNG or SVG files with a transparent background work best, and small square images like 64 or 128 pixels tend to look crisp without being too heavy. Keep the files clearly named so you can find them quickly during upload. Open the Notion page where you want the icons to live and click in the spot where you want the first one to appear. Use Notion's / command by typing a /. This opens the quick insert menu that lets you add different kinds of content without taking your hands off the keyboard. Start typing the word image to filter the menu. When you see the image option appear, click it. This creates an empty image block right where your cursor was, ready for your icon. Notion will now offer several ways to bring in an image. Choose Upload File. This lets you pull the icon directly from your device. A file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where you saved your social icons, select the one you want, and confirm. After a moment, the icon will appear on your page as an image. From here, you can continue adding more icons the same way. Click below the existing image, type the /, search for image, choose it, and then select Upload File again to bring in the next icon. Repeating the process keeps everything consistent and makes it easy to place your icons exactly where you want them. If you're using a matching set of icons, they'll look unified right away. Take a second to check that each icon displays clearly on both light and dark Notion themes if you switch between them. Transparent backgrounds help the icons blend in nicely with any page style, and keeping their dimensions similar gives your layout a clean, professional look. That's it. By using the image block and the upload file option, you've added your social media icons to your Notion page quickly and cleanly. Pause here to add the rest of your icons, then continue customizing your page as you like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.